Hi guys, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Gonna make another video. First off, I'm gonna show you my flower dips from my last one. This is the 12 by 12. Really pretty. I love the copper. And this is the 8 by 10. So they would look pretty hanging together, or you could purchase them separately. If you're interested, all my details are in the description box below. Okay, so on with the next. So today, this is a wood panel. Got them at Michael's, and you have to gesso them, so that's what's on here. And I'm going to be making a clock. My husband routed out the back for the clock mechanism and the hole, and he rounded out the ends to make it this size. And if I have time, I've got a round one that I'm going to do also. So this one, I'm going to try stripes and make it look like wood grain. And then when it dries, I want to put vines and leaves on it. So I'm going to start with filling my cup. This is burnt sienna. This is a gold and a bronze mixed together. And this is yellow iron oxide. Get the caps off. We'll be doing good. Get that out of the way. So just make sure that I have enough to cover everything. I think that should be enough. Okay, I love these because you can always bend. So I'm going to turn it this way. So I want the stripes to go up and down like this. Okay, here we go. Try and get them close enough to the edge. You can always clean the hole out later, so you don't have to worry about that. It'd be a little bit dark. Go. Keep it. Get the sides. Get it back this way. Turn it around so that you're not looking at nothing. Okay, now let's try and get the stripes back to normal. Halfway back to normal anyway. Make it look like a wood grain. I can get it to go off some more. It'll come on, keep coming. Keep coming. I think that's as good as she's gonna flow. Don't want to stretch it too much, then the top will be too thin. Let's put some back up here. See if I can run it off, make it look a little bit. Stick my finger in it as always. Okay, I think that'll work for this one. Looks kind of wood grainish. Put that one right there. Let me get my hands wiped off. For the next one. Really don't want to get brown on the other one. So get this wiped off. There we go. Okay, now the next one is going to be this round one. Put that right there. And it's going to be a cloud mixture. So let's get these out of the way. My cup. These other colors over here. Gonna start with a violet. And then a primary magenta. And then we're going to put some of this cloud mixture in. Whoops, stick out of the way. And then we have some phthalo turquoise, which is a beautiful color. A little bit more of the purple. I don't want to go too heavy on the purple. A little bit more magenta. A little bit more of the cloud mixture on top. And we'll leave off with a little bit of the blue. And I think we'll just flip it over. Let that sit for a second. While I give this one a torch. Make sure we don't have any air bubbles going on over here. There we go. All right, are we ready to see what this one looks like? Oops, I don't want the cloud mixture going off over there. This was level when I started. Checked it with my handy dandy level. Air bubbles popped. My husband rounded this one out for me. He's so good at it. don't want to lose the purple. I don't want to lose my cloud mixture. Let's see. Sure we got the edges. There's a lot of paint on here for this little thing, but I don't want to lose any of it. Everything is so pretty. I think we're good to go. There we go. So give you a close-up of this one. Oh, it's so pretty. Hands wiped off. Even if we don't get any clouds out of it, it's still beautiful. Love those colors together. Okay, give it a torch. So these are wood panels from Michaels. I am just using acrylic paint on them. I think my torch is giving out. I'm going to have to fill it up. I want you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment if you so desire. That would be great. I hope everybody is staying safe. I think that's about it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, please have a great day.